This particular strategy comes with just two indicators. What we need to do right here is to set up our indicators. We're going to come over to our indicators section. So we're going to make use of RSI and Vortex indicators. Those are the two indicators we're going to be using with this particular strategy. So the first thing we need to do is to set up our indicator settings. So we're going to come over to the first indicator, which is the RSI. So we're going to come right here. I'm going to turn the period to 8. So right here on the style level, we're going to turn off this two line right here, the 70% and the 30% line. We're going to turn it off. Then we're only going to be leaving the 50% and the main line right here. So right at this particular level, we're going to be making use of this particular color. I'm going to be using it on 2 pixels. So we're also going to come over to the 50% line, and we're going to be using a purple color, and we're going to be using it on 2 pixels. So when you're done, just click on save. So you should be able to have your RSI just like this. So right here, we're going to come over to our Vortex indicator, and right here on the period, we're going to be turning it as 10. Right here on the style level, you can use any colors that are really pleased with you, but I'm going to be using green and red. And when you're done, guys, you're just going to click on save. So this is how your indicators should look. So right away with this strategy, I'm actually making use of 15 seconds candle time frame. I'm using Heiken Ashi candlestick, and also I'm trading this particular strategy on 2 minutes, guys. So this particular strategy is a very simple one. So for you to better understand this particular strategy, I'll need to go into the market. When I find an opportunity, I'm going to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. I do advise you guys to actually watch this video till the end, because it will really help you to know when to enter a buy trade, when to enter a sell trade, when to leave the market, and when to continue trading, guys. So guys, we find a very good opportunity right at this particular level. We're going to be entering a buy trade right here, guys. So guys, the reasons why we entered a buy trade right here is pretty much simple. The first thing we considered is our RSI. Before we actually take a trade, we must be able to ensure that our line is actually above the RSI line right here. This purple line right here, the line must be above the purple line right here. Not only that, guys, we must be able to also consider the intersection of our two Vortex line, giving us the same confirmation for us to actually enter a trade, guys. These are the things you just mainly have to consider before you take a trade. The first thing you need to consider is your RSI line. This line has to be above the purple line which we have right here. And not only that, we must be able to see the crossing over of our Vortex lines, giving us a very good indication. And do note that in the case of a buy trade, the green line has to be above the red line, giving you a buying opportunity in the market. I hope you're getting it right. Also, guys, you need to consider your candlestick. You need to have a consistency of your candlestick before you take a trade. Those are the two important things you need to put into consideration anytime you are taking a trade. And I believe you actually abiding by these rules, you're definitely going to be on a very good profit, guys. So guys, we have 20 seconds towards the end of this trade. Let's actually wait patiently and see how this trade will turn out to be. So guys, we have 2 seconds towards the end of the trade, and as you can see right here, guys, we smash in a very good money right here. This is a very good profit right at this particular level, guys. So guys, as you can see, this particular strategy is a very simple and also very powerful one. Even a beginner trader can actually make use of this particular strategy to make a whole lot of money in the market, guys. I also want to draw attention to certain things, which is what really happens right at this particular level. So you can see, before you enter your trade, you must be able to confirm your line crossing over. You don't actually enter a trade when the line is actually on this purple line right here. It has to cross it over, giving you a trend confirmation. And also you have to confirm your Vortex line, guys. You don't only use one indicator to enter a trade. You need to consider the two indicators accurately before you enter a trade. Anytime your lines are actually rallying around this purple line, please do not take a trade. It has to be a very clear one, giving you very good confirmation for you to enter a trade, guys. I hope you're getting it. So guys, if you are interested with the broker I'm using Pocket Option Broker, and the link is in the description. You can actually use my promo code to have 100% discounts on all your deposit, guys. So guys, for you to better understand this particular strategy, I will go into the market right away. When I find an opportunity, I'm going to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. So guys, right here we find a sell trade opportunity right here. We're going to be entering a sell trade opportunity right at this particular level. So you all can see right here, you can see our line is actually intersecting this purple line, and it is actually crossing it over, giving us a very good confirmation. And not only that, right here our vortex line intersect each other, giving us another trade opportunity. If you could see right here, our vortex line intersect each other, and in the case of a sell trade right here, you can see the red line is actually above the green line right here, guys. So in the case of a sell trade, the red line will be above the green line, while in the case of a buy trade, the green line will be above the red line. I hope you're getting it right. And not only that, guys, your RSI must actually cross this purple line. That's to be giving you a good trend confirmation before you can actually enter a trade. A situation whereby this line is actually tiggling around this particular purple line, please do not enter a trade, guys. And also another thing I really want you to put into consideration is the consistency of your candlestick. It is pretty much very important. You must be able to have a consistency of a candlestick before you can actually place a trade. Those are pretty much things I do advise you to put into consideration whenever you're actually placing a trade. So guys, we have 30 seconds towards the end of this trade. Let's actually wait and see if we're going to have another good moment right here. So guys, we have 5 seconds towards the end of this trade, and as you can see right here, guys, we also hit another good moment right here. We make another good money right at this particular level. This is a very simple strategy, guys. A very simple and also very accurate strategy, guys. So guys, I'm going to go into the market again. When I find another opportunity, I'm going to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. So guys, you find a very good opportunity right at this particular level for a buy trade. Let's actually enter out for a buy trade opportunity right at this particular level, guys. Now the reasons why we're entering a buy trade right here is very simple. The first thing we considered right here is the consistency of the candlestick right here, guys. And not only that, if you could see right here, our RSI line is above this purple line right here, giving us a buying opportunity. Another thing we also considered right here is our vortex line right here. The two lines intersect right here, giving us a very good indication. As you can see, in the case of an up trade, the green line would be above the red line. These are the things you need to put into consideration anytime you're taking this kind of trade, guys. As I've always said, your candlesticks is also very important. You need to put that into consideration, and also your RSI line must be above this purple line to give you a buying opportunity in the market, guys. Your vortex line also has to cross each other before you place your trade. I hope you're getting it right. If you obey all these instructions, I believe you're going to become so profitable using this particular strategy, guys. So guys, another thing I really want to draw your attention into is that you must be able to see your RSI, because most of my students that I share this particular strategy with, they actually enter a trade, immediately they are seeing this line touching this particular purple line. That is not how it should be, guys. You must be able to cross it over, giving you a very good confirmation before you can actually take a trade. And also this particular strategy, you can use it with 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or even till 5 minutes. It all depends on the one that actually works for you, guys. So guys, we have 6 seconds towards the end of this trade, and as you can see right here, guys, we hit another good profit right at this particular level. This is also a very good profit right here, guys. So guys, for you to really know that this particular strategy works pretty much well, I'm going to go into the market for my last trade. When I find an opportunity, I'm going to come right here again and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. So guys, we have another opportunity right at this particular level, so I'm going to be entering a sell trade right at this particular level, guys. And as you all see, the reasons why we're entering a trade right here is pretty much simple. The first thing you need to know is the consistency of your candlestick, guys. You need to see a consistency of a candlestick before you enter a trade. And not only that, guys, your RSI indicator has to be crossing this purple line before you actually enter a trade. These are the things you need to put into consideration. And also, guys, your vortex line has to intersect each other. In the case of a sell trade, as I've said initially, the red line has to be above the green line, giving you a very good indication for you to actually enter a trade. I hope you're getting it right. These are things you really need to put into consideration anytime you're entering a trade. I hope you're getting it, guys. Basically, your candlestick, and you must be able to see at least 2-3 candlestick. It has to be a very strong candlestick, as I've said. Before you can actually place a trade, you need to confirm it with your RSI and your vortex indicators. One indicator does not guarantee your success. You need to combine the 2 indicators together to give you a very good entry confirmation, guys. So guys, we have 48 seconds towards the end of this trade. Let's actually wait patiently and see how this trade will turn out to be. So guys, we have 5 seconds towards the end of this trade. And as you can see right here, guys, we also make a very good amount of money right here. This is a very good one right at this particular level, guys. So guys, the basic thing I do advise you to consider before you enter a trade is that you must be able to see a very strong candlestick. That is to show you that the market is actually stable and the candlestick are healthy to go towards a particular direction. And also guys, your RSI must be able to cross this popular in the case of a sell trade, and you must be able to have the intersection of your Vortex indicators clearly intersected before you can be able to enter a trade, guys. We took 4 trade and we won all the trade, guys, using this particular strategy. I want you guys to try out this particular strategy and let me know how it works on the comment section, guys. And also, if you want to use the broker I use, it is Pocket Option Broker. You can actually use it. The link is in the description, and when you use my promo code, you're going to have 100% discount on all your deposit, guys. So guys, this is where I'm going to stop on this particular video. If you love this video, do ensure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so you miss any of our amazing videos. Do not forget to share this video to your loved ones so they can also enjoy what you are enjoying from this channel, guys. Till I see you again in another video, guys, keep trading and bye for now.